Ultimate branding course, is it legit or a scam? In this video I'm gonna give you my honest review about ultimate branding course. If you can make money here with ultimate branding course, guys, it's called UBC, guys. Okay, so but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about UBC, call it Ultimate Branding Course, guys. Okay, so this is the master resale rights, this is the master resale rights course. Okay, that's gonna teach you how to make money using social media marketing. Okay, and also they claim that you can make 100% commission, which is true. Okay, but there are some red flags that I don't like about these kind of courses. That is that they can be saturated really fast, guys. They can be saturated really fast because so many people, they are promoting these kind of courses, guys, online. You go to social media marketing such as TikTok. They are promoting these master resale rights courses. You go to Instagram, they are promoting these master resale rights courses that you can earn 100% commission. But they don't talk about this, that they make it to you, it is easy. They are making these kind of huge income claims that they make $1,000 in less than 30 minutes. These income claims that they are making, guys. Okay, these kind of courses, guys, the FTC, they may close these kind of courses. Just be aware, guys. Okay, the FTC, they may close down these kind of businesses, guys, because it looks like a multi-level marketing scheme. You have to buy the product in order to promote it. That's not how an online business should work, guys. Okay, that's not how affiliate marketing should work, guys. Okay, the way that they are using this kind of business is like a multi-level marketing scheme, guys. Okay, just be aware of these kind of products, guys. Okay, they're gonna get saturated really fast because everybody is promoting the same course, guys. Okay, and also there is no refund about these kind of products, guys. Just be aware. That's what I'm saying to you. And be aware, whenever you buy this kind of products, you're not gonna get your refund, guys. Okay, it's gonna be $500 to buy this kind of products, but if you want your money back, if you don't like the cost, guys, okay, if you want your money, they're not gonna give a refund. That's why these so many marketers, they are showing you these income claims, this demand that they made. They want you to buy, but what they know, after you buy, you're not gonna get your refund, guys. Okay, so that's not how affiliate marketing should work, because if you don't like the course, you should request a refund, and also the company should give you your money back because then you don't like the product. But here with this master resale rights, guys, there's no refund policy here, guys. Okay, they said it is final. Just be aware of that. But what I like about this kind of courses, guys, is that they are teaching you the right strategy. They are teaching you the right strategy, how to grow on social media, how to market on social media, how to grow your audience, and also how to convert your audience into high-paying customers, guys. The training, guys, they are giving you, it is high-quality training, guys. Okay, it is high-quality training, but I just don't like the way it is being marketed to you, guys. It is being marketed to me. It is being marketed to newbies, that they make it look like it's easy to make money online. I just don't like that, guys. All of these income claims they are making, the FTC, they will close these kind of businesses, guys. Okay, just be aware of that, because you don't want to start an online business and then within 2 months, within 5 months, the business, it is gone. You don't want that, guys. You want to start an online business that is gonna stay forever, guys. Okay, an online business that's gonna stay forever, guys. Okay, that's what I'm saying to you, guys. Okay, with these kind of shiny objects, guys. Okay, that you see online, guys. Just be aware of that, guys. Okay, but if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home with high ticket affiliate marketing that allows you to earn over $1,000 per sale from home, guys, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, it's a course that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job. It's a course that helped me to have financial freedom, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you straight away, guys. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.